Rub your bathroom with a candle and watch what happens. The bathroom is one of the rooms of the home that requires great care and cleaning. If you manage to incorporate a frequent grooming routine for furniture, floors and walls, you will get mold and harmful germs from accumulating anywhere. But the time comes when, after rubbing and sanding, you may see that between the tiles there are discolored areas. But now you can stop it. In this article we show you how to re-enjoy white tiles like the first day. All you need is a candle. Here's how it's done. After cleaning the tiles as usual, take a normal wax candle, like the one you find in any store. Press the lower end of the candle against the area separating the tiles and drag it back and forth a few times. A couple of seconds later you will see how it has had its effect. Focus on areas where tiles are most in contact with water. This will make these areas white again, in addition to creating a protective layer. So you will not have to worry about this rebel zone anymore. It's great. This trick will save you a lot of time and effort. Why cannot it always be so simple to keep our house ready? Share this great trick with your friends.